Sermon number 34. Exhorting people to fight against the people of Syria. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Woe to you! I am tired of rebuking you. Do you accept this worldly life in place of the next life? Or disgrace in place of dignity? When I invite you to fight your enemy, your eyes revolve, as though you are in the clutches of death, and in the senselessness of last moments. My pleadings are not understood by you and you remain stunned. It is as though your hearts are affected with madness so that you do not understand. You have lost my confidence for good. Neither are you a support for me to lean upon, nor a means to honor and victory. Your example is that of the camels whose protector has disappeared, so that if they are collected from one side they disperse away from the other side. By Allah, how bad are you for igniting flames of war! You are intrigued against but do not intrigue against the enemy. Your boundaries are decreasing but you do not get enraged over it. Those against you do not sleep but you are unmindful. By Allah, those who leave matters one for the other are subdued. By Allah, I believed about you that if battle rages and death hovers around you, you will cut away from the son of Abi Talib like the severing of head from the trunk. By Allah, he who makes it possible for his adversary to so overpower him as to remove the flesh from his bones, crush his bones and cut his skin into pieces, then it means that his helplessness is great and his heart surrounded within the sides of his chest is weak. You may become like this if you wish. But for me, before I allow it I shall use my sharp-edged swords of mushrafiyah which would cut us under the bones of the head and fly away arms and feet. Thereafter, Allah will do whatever He wills. A people, I have a right over you and you have a right over me. As for your right over me, that is to counsel you, to pay you your dues fully, to teach you that you may not remain ignorant and instruct you in behavior as that you may act upon. As for my right over you, it is fulfillment of, the obligation of, allegiance, well-wishing in presence or in absence, response when I call you and obedience when I order you.